The 5 core communities that are central to Itsekiri today, they all migrated from Yoruba land. Omadino, Ugborodo, and the 3 others, they are from Yoruba. So any attempt to use pencil, ink, or biro to sever Yoruba from our aboriginal history is an infraction.
You all have heard what that Isakiri man said. He is right. That man is saying the truth. Itsekiri people are Yoruba people, even if they identify as a separate ethnic nationality from Yoruba. The first king of Itsekiri people is a Bini prince. His name is Ginuwa. He migrated from Bini to Itsekiri. He got there and the people there made him their first king. So the royal dynasty of Itsekiri people are Bini people. But the aborigines of the land, the Itsekiri people, there are Yoruba people. Itsekiri is a dialect of Yoruba. The man said that they migrated from Yoruba land. Say una king come from Bini, not make una Bini people. Because Bini people will be telling you, the person that is ruling you is a Bini man. All of you are Bini people. Nah lie. Look at this picture here. This is the list of ethnic groups in Nigeria. Itsekiri is number 170. Look at it. The Nigerian government recognized Itsekiri as an ethnic nationality, but they are Yoruba people. Itsekiri people are saying that they are from Yoruba, that they are one people with Yoruba people. The reason for this video is for Ukwuani people. Now my Ukwuani people, where I come from, I won't take this video, take address. I'm using it as an example. Some Ukwuani people will be telling you, we Ukwuani people, we are not Igbo, so we are Ukwuani people. Nigerian government recognized us as an ethnic nationality, which means that we Ukwuani people are separate from Igbo people. Just imagine. Isakiri people that are registered as a separate people identify as Yoruba because they are part of Yoruba. Nigerian government register, you know me say, you not be what you be again. Echie people were registered as a separate ethnic nationality. Echie people are Igbo people. Look at this picture here. Under number 338 is Ukwuani. Ukwuani is registered as an ethnic nationality in Nigeria. Ukwuani people are Igbo people. Even if Nigeria government may they register every Igbo speaking community as a separate nationality, all of them are Igbo people. Isakiri people are saying that they are from Yoruba. Come to Ukwuani land. Ukwuani have 100% connection with the southeast. If you go to the southeast, so many southeast communities migrated from Ukwuani land. If you come to Ukwuani land, so many Ukwuani communities migrated from the southeast. So who is that person coming out to say that we Ukwuani people are not one people with the southeast? Who be that person? Who is that historian? May that historian come out. Ukwuani people are Igbo people. When you hear the word Wazobia, Wazobia is talking about 3 major ethnic groups in Nigeria. Wa is for Yoruba people. Zo is for Hausa people. Bia is for Igbo people. Ukwuani people are Bia people. When you hear Bia people come, Ukwuani people will come. Ikwere people will come. Ika people will come. Every Bia speaking people in Nigeria will come out because they are known as Bia speaking people. And when we talk about Bia, Bia people are Igbo people. That is why our organization is called Ndenaso Bia Socio-Cultural Organization. Nigeria government recognize Ukwuani people as Bia people. They know that even if we register these people as a separate ethnic nationality, they remain Igbo people. There is no amount of denial. And they talk this and say, if my people for Ukwuani make the deny carry different lawyers go court, they go just they lose the case, they go because they remain Igbo people. It's so bad that you are saying that you are not an Igbo person, yet your neighbors are calling you an Igbo person. Our neighbors in Delta State call we Ukwuani people Igbo people. Those set of Ukwuani people that are saying that they are not Igbos, they sent me this picture telling me, yeah, Nigeria government recognizes us as a separate ethnic nationality, blah, blah, blah. They talk nonsense. See Itsekiri where Nigeria government recognized as a separate ethnic nationality. They talk say they be Yoruba people. Now some of our Ukwuani people, they tell me, say, we Ukwuani people are not Igbo people. What is our language? Igbo language. What is our culture? Igbo culture and tradition. What is our food? Igbo food. What is our dance? Igbo dance. Everything about us is Igbo. Abe community in Ukwuani land migrated from the southeast. Umukwata community from Ukwuani land migrated from the southeast. So many parts of Obiaroko community migrated from the southeast. How many I go count? So person won't just come talk say, we and southeast are not brothers. Can they create unnecessary boundary between us? You not go walk. Go to the southeast. Oguta, Obaru, Obolo, all those Obolo in the southeast, they all migrated from Ukwuani land. The founder of Obolo, called Ezemu, he migrated from Ukwuani land. He's an Ukwuani man. Every Obolo people migrated from Ukwuani. And someone is somewhere trying to separate us. Those people will fail. Everyone that speak the same language are one people. We are one people. All these, we not be Igbo people, we not be Igbo people, we don't on our own. Now waste of time. You remain Igbo. Your name is Onyekachuku, you are Igbo. Your name is Chekube, you are Igbo. Your name is Ochonogo, you are Igbo. Your name is Odume, you are Igbo. Your name is Chukunalo, you are Igbo. Your name is Ejedu, you are Igbo. Ukwuani people are Igbo people. Ika people are Igbo people. Oshimili Anocha people are Igbo people. Ukwuani people are Igbo people. No amount of denial will make the world not to see una as Igbo people. Your language is Igbo language. You are saying you are not Igbo because they registered you as a separate identity. Urhobo and Isoko people identify as separate nationalities. Yet they remain one people, whether they like it or not. Look, people they talk say they not be Urhobo, say they be separate people from Urhobo. Whether they like it or not, they are Urhobo people. They are part of Urhobo people. We Ukwuani people are Igbo people. Nothing on our go talk to remove we Ukwuani people from our southeast brothers. We are Igbo people to the core. By ancestry, by language, by culture, by tradition, by food, by music, by dance, by folktale, everything about we Ukwuani people is Igbo. There is no difference between we Ukwuani people and the southeast. Those Ukwuani people saying that they are not Igbos, wake up. Make una wake up from sleep. So they allow some of all these minority tribes to come, they tell una say, when they're not the Igbo people, you think say those tribes, they happy say you Ukwuani people na part of the Igbo race. They want the Igbo race to scatter. They want to shrink the Igbo race. That's the major reason why we see minority tribes telling we Ukwuani people that we are not Igbo people. Tribe where we say they not reach 3 million people. But they tell we Ukwuani people say we not be Igbo people. To reduce the number of the Igbo race. To reduce our population. To reduce our voting power. To reduce our land mass. But we say no. I don't know why some Ukwuani people cannot just sit down and reason. May they ask themselves, we they understand these people, then they understand us. If Southeast they talk, we they hear. If we they talk, they hear. We they do the same festivals. We they eat the same food. Everything about us and them are the same thing. Why such Ukwuani people not go take their sense? No, say we and these people are the same. Some Ukwuani people are feeling like if we start to identify as Igbo, our name will be Ukwuani. Go into extinction. Now lie. Everyone that speaks Bia is Igbo. That name Igbo holds every Bia speaking people together. No region of Igbo land gets that word Bia past any other Igbo region. The name Igbo is not the name of an ancestor. We know say people they bear the name fine, but we know go to say now this ancient ancestor, his name na Igbo, na his name we they bear today. No. This is for you to know that no community for Igbo land where get that name Igbo where we say we gonna answer the name of that their own ancestor. No. Igbo means ancient, Ndebo, Ndibo. That name Igbo holds all of us together. Our Ukwuani identity remains intact. Nri people identify as Igbo, yet their Nri identity remains intact. Isu people identify as Igbo, their Isu identity remains intact. Nsukka people identify as Igbo, their Nsukka identity is intact. If we Ukwuani people embrace our Igbo identity, our Ukwuani identity remains intact. Yoruba is a name that holds every Yoruba speaking people together. Yoruba is not the name of any Yoruba ancestor. Yoruba is not even a Yoruba word. They all adopted that name to hold all of them together. Urobo is not the name of any ancestor in Urobo land, but they adopted that name to hold all of them together. Igala people don't have any ancestor called Igala, but that name Igala holds all Igala speaking people together as one people. And you go call one person Igbo, you go start to the shake head baka. If Itsekiri people can identify as Yoruba people, who are we Ukwuani people not to identify as the Igbos that we are? Registering Ukwuani people as an ethnic nationality is not enough proof or evidence that we Ukwuani people are not Igbo people. Ukwuani people are Igbo people. Igbo wofu, Ishiagwale.